Hello everyone. Let's start with the physiology of lungs. There is breathing. The first one is a mechanism of breathing. Basically, the mechanism of breathing is a physical movement in which gaseous exchange takes place. It requires two phases of breathing. That one is inhalation or inspiration, exhalation or expiration. First one is inspiration or inhalation. During respiration, ribs muscles contract and ribs are raised. In previous videos, I told you what are ribs. Ribs, these are the semicircles or circular lines that protect our lungs or visceral organs. So ribs are raised and it becomes contract. Same time, dome-shaped diaphragm is a muscle that also contract. Whenever diaphragm muscles contract, that is dome shape under the ribs, जब ये कॉन्ट्रैक्ट होता है डायफ्राम्स मूव डाउनवर्ड, डायफ्राम नीचे को आता है, थोरेसिक एरिया ज़्यादा हो जाता है जिसकी वजह से प्रेशर लंग्स के ऊपर कम हो जाता है. अब विद इन द प्रेशर लंग्स के अंदर कम हो गया. इन नेचर एवरीवन वांट्स स्टेबिलिटी. विद इन द प्रेशर लंग्स डिक्रीजेस, outside the lungs pressure increases. So pressure rushes from outside to inside to equalize pressure on both sides. In this way, a human person inhale. The second phase is expiration or exhalation. After the gaseous exchange in lungs take place, impure gas or air expelled out in the form of exhalation. In inhalation, the ribs muscles will contract. Whenever we expel air, ribs muscles relax and bring back to original position. Rib muscles that were in semicircle lines, it becomes relax and bring back to the original position. Diaphragm muscles also relax and dome-shaped diaphragm get raised. Pressure within the chest cavity reduces and pressure on the lungs increases. Same phenomena that occurs in inhalation. अब within the lungs pressure increase हुआ है, तो air expel out होगी in order to release pressure that is more in the lungs. So lungs contract and air is expelled out of them. This is a simple phenomena of breathing, of inhalation or exhalation. Important point is breathing movements are involuntary to some extent. Like we can control our breathing for some time, but it is involuntary in action. Respiration rate. Humans breathe 16 to 20 times per minute in resting state. The respiration rate is controlled by respiratory center in brain. It means there is a center, respiratory center in brain that receives signals from the body. The next line is the respiratory center is sensitive to concentration of carbon dioxide. What does it mean? It means whenever we do some intense or hard exercise, the concentration of carbon dioxide increases in our body. So respiratory center receives signals or messages from the body in the form of a neuron that the concentration of carbon dioxide increases in blood. So it stimulates the lungs to breathe faster than the normal. So the respiration rate in intense or physical hard exercise, it increases from 16 to 20 times to 30 to 40 times per minute. Because whenever we do some hard job, our muscles also require cellular respiration. Our body contains trillions of cells that requires oxygen for their proper physiological functioning. So respiration rate is necessary in order to maintain in physical or hard exercise. Our respiratory center in the brain also works. That's all from the physiology of lungs. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Allah Hafiz.